Mackerel is very popular in Nigerian cooking, and I'll be sharing with you how to make one of the most expensive type of mackerel fish that you can find in a typical Nigerian market. This type of mackerel fish is called roasted mackerel or dried mackerel fish. It can be used to cook a wide variety of Nigerian dishes in the Nigerian cuisine. So to make this fish, I'll start by defrosting my frozen fresh mackerel fish. The reason why fresh mackerel is usually frozen is simply to elongate the shelf life. And to defrost the fish is very simple. I'll simply pour a lot of water and then I'll proceed to separate the fish as you can see in the video. After I separate the fish in the water, I'll leave the fish in it for about 40 to 45 minutes. After 45 minutes, the fish would have been properly defrosted and ready to be cleaned. Now, to clean the fish, I'll proceed to remove the fins and then I'll remove the gill. To remove the insides of the fish requires a certain amount of skill, which I'll show you. I'll start by opening the fish head and then I'll proceed to pull out the gill with my finger. When I pull out the gill, it will come out with some of the intestines, but no, I still have to ensure that I remove all the gooey stuff from the inside of the fish. So to do this, with my small knife, I'll cut open the fish belly and remove everything that I don't like to see in the fish belly. You see, this process looks a little bit hard, but I promise you, when you try it and you keep trying it, before you know it, you become very good at cleaning your mackerel fish at home. And that's it. After I'm sure that I have properly removed everything, I'll scrape out all that stuff with my small knife just to ensure that everything is nice and clean, and then I rinse off finally with water. I'll do this until everything is properly clean and ready to be used. Now, another reason why I like to clean my mackerel fish this way is it gives me that opportunity to be very creative with how I cook my fish. There are several ways to cook mackerel fish, and I'm just sharing with you one way, which is how to make roasted delicious mackerel fish. The ingredients for this are oil. I'll be using some salt. I'll also add some chili pepper, which is optional, and one seasoning cube. I'll mix everything up very, very, very well. And as soon as I'm sure that everything has been properly mixed, I'll set aside and proceed to make the mackerel into that popular circular shape that it usually has. And to do this, let me show you. I'll start by opening up the fish mouth. When I open up the fish mouth, I'll put the tail of the mackerel fish into the fish mouth and then I'll secure it well with a toothpick. Voila, that's it. The signature circular shape for dried mackerel fish has been achieved. Now, another thing that I would like to achieve is you liking this video, and I would also like to read your comment. Why? Because I like it when you share your thoughts with me. So leave your comments in the comment section. And if you'd like me to post more videos regarding this matter, just tell me in the comment section. Of course, I'll post it. It's very simple. Again, bend the fish, put the fish tail in the fish mouth and secure with a toothpick. And that's how to achieve the signature circular look for roasted mackerel fish. Now that the fish has been, put in the proper shape that it needs to be, the next thing I would do is to clean my cooking surface. Now, I would also have to say this. There are several ways to cook mackerel fish. Yes, mackerel fish can be fried. Yes, there's fried mackerel fish, there's smoked mackerel fish. You can also grill your fish. You can bake your fish. Yes, that's a different recipe entirely. Now, let me say this. This is on how to roast mackerel fish. And while I clean the surface, let me tell you a little bit about mackerel fish. Apart from the fact that mackerel fish is very popular and common for making different Nigerian foods, and it's popular in Nigerian cuisine generally, mackerel fish is very nutritious. It is an oily fish that contains high amount of omega-3 essential fatty acids, and our bodies need the nutrients in macrofish. Apart from the omega-3 fatty acids in macrofish, this fish also contains zinc, folate, magnesium, iron, vitamin B6, and vitamin B12. Okay, so with these few points of mine, I hope I've been able to convince you to try to include macrofish in your diet. Now it is time to season the fish. I'll simply put the ingredients that I mixed earlier in the fish. Remember, I cut open the belly. Yes, so that is going to work in my favor now because it will enable me ensure that the ingredients get into the fish properly. I'll repeat this process until all the fish is coated and ready to be roasted. Now, here is another thing I like to say about macrofish. This fish can be stored however way you like. So if you're thinking of how long to um, store your fish or how to store dried macrofish, because I'm talking about dried macrofish. You can keep your dried macrofish in the fridge. So freezing dried mackerel is completely fine. You can also put it in the fridge. You can freeze it, you can put it in the fridge. Now it depends on how dried the fish is. If the fish is very, very dried, you don't even need to put it in the fridge or freezer. You can just put it in a dry, cool place that has free flow of air, and your fish would last as long as 1 week. But then, here is the clause to it. If you know that your fish is not very, very dry, I'll suggest you put it in your fridge or your freezer so that you can save yourself the time and the effort of checking the fish every single day to ensure that it is still fresh. You know, when it is in your freezer, you are sure that it's fresh, it's nice, and waiting for you to use it in any food you like to cook with. Now, here is the popular recipe for cooking dried mackerelfish, making stew. I shared this recipe earlier on how to make delicious stew with mackerel. I don't know if you watched it, but if you didn't watch it, you can go back to my channel to watch it and enjoy how to cook dried mackerel fish. So now that I'm done coating the fish, I'll proceed to dust the rack, the roasting rack, with a little bit of oil just to ensure that the fish does not stick to the rack when I am roasting the fish. So now that I'm done with that, it's time to place the fish on the rack. And while I'm placing the fish on the rack, I need to tell you this. Remember, the fish belly is open, and I added a lot of the ingredients in there so that it can get into the fish. So ensure that you place your fish head up, and I'll put it in my oven and allow it to roast for 45 minutes on 180 degrees. Take a look at my dried roasted fish. It's juicy. So this is the advantage of this fish. It is not too dry and it is not too wet. It's just that right texture for drinking gari and making stew.